think about the feeling of what safe feels like, what it takes me back to is my nan's house. And Nan, like, she, even if she should make, like, would have, you know, whānau sleepover, and we'd be all in the lounge, and then she would make these, like, beds out of, you know, the squabs on of the couch. She'd chuck them on the thing, and honestly, without a doubt, she would make the best beds. And she had these old school feather duvets, and there's nothing like chucking on a feather duvet, I reckon. When I think about the feeling of safe or safety, that's what it takes me back to, is jumping in that bed with a full puku, warm, nice, yeah, just an environment that my nan essentially created. And I feel like my nan's house was that for a lot of people, with a whānau, wider whānau, or community, essentially, or it's this community that became your whānau. Because I've got plenty of aunties and uncles that, you know, are not officially your aunties and uncles, but they're your aunties and uncles. Her name is Miriama, but she was known as Tiny, and because she was tiny and small, but her heart and like her manaki, her mana, everything that she was, you know, the opposite to Tiny. And she was a really strong personality and could hold the line, hold accountability, and yeah, from the cry, from the aroha, the conversations, the care. She made an impact on many lives.